Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an indices problem where we're going to simplify and solve the equation x to the power of 8 minus 121 is equal to 0. So let's get started, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So we're going to rewrite x to the 8 as x to the 4 all to the power of 2. And we'll write 121 as 11 to the power of 2 is equal to 0. Now we have the difference of two squares format. So we have the algebraic identity over here, and we can use this now to simplify the expression over here. So we can say that x to the 4 plus 11 multiplied by x to the 4 minus 11 is equal to 0. Let's look at it more closely. Can we simplify further? Yes, we can. We can go here and we can apply the difference of two squares again. So we can use this again. So let's do that. So there's no change with the first factor, x to the power 4 plus 11. And the second factor now will become x squared all to be squared minus the square root of 11 all to be squared. Now apply the difference of two squares, and we will get x squared minus the square root of 11 by x squared plus the square root of 11. Alright, so and that's equal to 0. So now we need to solve for the factors. So we're going to look at the first one over here, and we have x squared is equal to negative 11. And remember, this is not possible, so we cannot get a negative number when we square it. Okay, so that's not possible. So let's go on to the second one. So we could say that x squared plus the square root of 11 is equal to 0. And then we can say x squared is equal to the negative square root of 11. Again, it's not possible. So the only one which may be possible is the final one. So let's look at that. So we have x squared is equal to plus the square root of 11. And now we need to square root both sides. So we get the square root of x squared is equal to the square root of the square root of 11. And we will get x is equal to the square root of the square root of 11. So we have to investigate this. Remember that if we apply a power of a half over here and we go again, so let's do a power of a half. So we can go again, so it'll be the square root, and remember the square root is the power of a half. So we can rewrite it like that. Alright, so let's see what we have. So if we're going to have 11 to the power of a half, all to the power of a half, then we can use the indices rule over here, where we're going to have the multiple of the two numbers. Alright, so now we have 11, and that will give us x is equal to 11 by a half multiplied by a half. And remember, a half by a half is 1 over 4, and that's our answer. So the answer is x is equal to 11 to the power of 1 over 4. And a big thank you for joining Maths Plus.